My dog is telling you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Woof. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video today is going to be showing you some NBA 2K26 locker codes that you can use right now to get tons of free VC. So guys, you can get 450,000 VC for completely free, and this is using a locker code for 2K26, and it takes just a few minutes to obtain, and once you get it you can redeem it in game. So guys, before I show you this locker code, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always creating updated videos for 2K26. So let's get into the video. What you're going to want to do, guys, is just grab your mobile phone internet browser. So as you can see here, I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. You just need an internet connection and head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in here. Pretty easy to type, guys. Unless you're looking through a camera, then you mess up. But there you go, Cold Coupons. So guys, I was searching for a long time trying to find a method for free VC. And trust me when I say these locker codes are by far the very best. I don't know why they give you so much stuff, but yeah. What you're going to want to do is just use the search bar and type in NBA 2K26 and navigate your way to this page. And when you reach this page, guys, what you're going to see is this here. And as you can see, hundreds of people have used this and over 10,000 ratings. 4.9, not sure why. I guess they did it wrong, but yeah, I'm going to give it 5 stars. So go ahead and scroll down until you find the VC code. And it's this one here. Look, get 450,000 VC for free in NBA 2K26. And this is working right now. So essentially, guys, this is it. This is going to get you a locker code. And if you don't know where to enter it, it's pretty easy to find in the menu. I'll put it somewhere in this video. But yeah, basically you need to unlock your code. These are limited, with 387 coupons remaining. So this basically stops people from just clicking hundreds of times and getting codes. You can only do this once. So to get your code, you've got to press this blue button. Pretty self-explanatory, but some people have a low IQ, so I thought I'd do a step-by-step. But yeah, this code unlocker tells you what you need to do to get your locker code. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. And then in red here, it says follow the unlock instructions below each app. Now, basically, guys, there is a list of tasks, and they're mostly applications like mobile games and apps. They're all completely free. And you just need to make sure you read the description. So that's what that means. Follow the instructions below each app. So that basically tells you what to do. So this one, for example, says download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So if you was to click on it, it will take you to the App Store, where you just have to download the app and run it for 30 seconds. Yeah, so pretty easy. Just complete 2 of them. I'm going to skip forward. And once you do that, it will skip forward to this page, and your 2K26 locker code will be revealed. Obviously, I've just sort of skipped past that step, but yeah, if you do everything correctly, your locker code will be shown, and you can redeem it in game. And that is how to get free VC in 2K26 using a locker code. Really easy. So go to Cold Coupons, and if you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.